driving. Hi, Tamara. Hi, Tanja. Here. Up Lombard Street.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Oh, don't do that.
I'm scared.
Yeah, you'll be okay. You'll be okay. You can go. Whoa.
I see, Dana. This car isn't made for those kind of roads. I'm sweating right now.
Those two. Then we go down.
Unbelievable.
And this. Uh-oh.
What's that?
Trolley car?
Yeah.
There you go. That's
He's
that's
right.
a cable car.
Yeah. Should I wait?
No, I think if you can get around, go ahead.
Huh?
Just don't run over the people.
I can.
There we go.
I know, but I'm seeing
This, my friends, is Lombard Street.
But you got good brakes.
Oh, the brakes are fabulous.
Here we go down Lombard Street. This is the crookedest street in the world.
I want to have the recording that you're just making.
Okay.
Hope it's only one way.
Yeah, it is. Don't hit the people.
I'm trying not to hit the sides.
This I sent you a photograph of it. Or at least I sent it to Sonia.
Not so funny. Yeah.
How would you like to have your house here?
No, thank you.
Hi, Tanja. Very good,
That
Ed.
looks like Mexico to me. I mean, yes, just step right up.
No.
Marian.
Like father, like daughter.
Always.
You want to see? Let's get a picture.
Tanya, would you like to take a picture? Also.
Bye-bye, Lombard Street.